In this video, we will learn how to use the 3D Polyline tool. With this tool, you can create continuous series of straight line segments in space that are a single object. That means that different parts of the polyline may exist in different planes. In addition, I should mention that a 3D polyline cannot consist of arc segments. You can find the 3D Polyline tool in the Draw panel of the Home ribbon. Alternatively, you can type 3D Poly in the command line and press Enter to activate it. Once the tool is active, I have to specify the first point of the polyline. I will click to define it, and immediately a message prompts me to specify the end point of the line segment. I will click to specify the next point, and as you can see, the tool does not deactivate and I can continue specifying points. So I will create the polyline, and once I'm done, I will press Enter to deactivate the tool. When the 3D Polyline tool is active, two options appear in the command line. The Undo option, which deletes the last segment that you created, and the Close option, which creates a line from the polyline's endpoint to the starting point to create a closed shape. Note that if you select Close, then the tool is deactivated automatically.